5 years ago, the hardest part about losing weight was simply staying consistent to your weight loss plan. Fast forward 5 years, and due to social media, now the hardest part of losing weight is knowing which freaking program to follow. Paleo, carnivore, keto, zone, intermittent fasting, carb blockers, fit teas, waist trainers. You just don't know what to do, but guess what? None of those work long term. The science is clear. These are unsustainable. Think about the programs you follow. Think about your family, your friends, your coworkers. They've all tried at least one of and most of 3 of those. And guess what? They look no better, they feel no better, and they've probably gained all the weight back and then some. The solution? The DOLCE diet, of course. For over 25 years, I have been saying the exact same thing. And I'm still here. I'm still in business, growing bigger, better than ever, helping change the lives of people around the world. It also helps that we work with the world's greatest athletes for over 20 years and have a 100% success ratio, getting them on weight, on time, every single time. Nobody else can say that. And now, right now, you can go to thedolcediet.com and save 50% on your own personalized total body transformation program with promo code Black Friday. Right now, you can get in the best shape of your life, and I'm going to help you get there.